What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning Kotlin. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Kotlin. Alright, so in the previous video we've seen the function declaration. We've seen the first you declare inside the class and outside the class, and the third one inside another function, which is the local functions. Alright, so in this video we're gonna come here and we're gonna see I put a max func. You guys can put whatever you guys want. So I put it here to save time, maxfunc.kt. You guys go here and the source, and you guys can go to new, and you can put your Kotlin class file, and you guys can put your class. Alright, so in this video we're going to show you guys the parameter and arguments. So if you come here and say main a, okay, so we're going to come here and we're going to put it here, parameter versus argument in Kotlin functions. Okay, so we're gonna come here and first start with the argument. I already show you guys how you guys invoke your call or invoke your function here inside the main. You guys call our invoke in your functions here, because that's inside the main. And main is like a capital building of any country, so like say America or Canada or any country. You guys see this as a parliament, and you guys send your reps here, representatives here, so from every province or state, whatever. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna see we want to make function, say Korayo. We have a function Korayo because Korayo is the name of our channel, and we're gonna put it inside here. So we're gonna put two parameters. So because parameter comes here, whatever you guys put it here inside these two parentheses is gonna be parameter, and we're gonna see the parameter is gonna be the type A, which is gonna be the type int. And say you guys can put it XYZ. You don't have to put A. So you guys can put X, this the type int, and B, which is also the type int. Alright, so now we have a function which takes the two parameter. I'm gonna put X, Y. You guys can put a Y. Okay, so this our function. It takes two parameter, which the first one is X or A, which is the type int, and the second one is Y or B, whatever you guys want to put it, and it's also the type int. Alright, so we're gonna put it here, print ln. Okay, so what our print ln is gonna do, say from X we do plus Y, and then whatever the value we're gonna get it, you're gonna print on the screen. So you guys gonna put it here as a placeholder, and you guys can put it X plus Y. Okay, so what you guys going doing here is that you guys performing the operations here. Here is just you just printing here X plus Y, but this is where the actual game begins. Here you guys do the actual operations here, and you guys just remember this is your parameter. Alright, so how you gonna put it inside the screen? So you guys gonna come here, and as I said, you're gonna come call your function, which is Korayo. Okay, so you guys call your function Korayo, and you guys need to now then your now functions X, you don't know what is X is, Y you guys also don't know, because and you're going to do operations. So if you're putting X plus Y, then what is X and what is Y, you don't know, and this is your parameter. So you say that, okay, I've got a parameter X, and I've got a which is the type int, and I've got a parameter Y, which is also the type, which is data type is int, and now here I'm doing X plus Y, and here I'm out doing actual perform. But what is X plus Y? What numbers you guys want to do? What's the value? So here you're gonna put it here as argument. This is very complicated in computer science, because there's some very genius people who created this. So you guys actually passing the value. So you're passing the value of this one here. So when you guys put whatever you guys type here, it comes to these functions and looks for the engine. It looks for this one. So if you guys put a 10 plus say 40, you guys passing. So Kotlin see very clever. So as soon as you guys pass it 10 comma 40, Kotlin knows is X and Y. Kotlin knows this one. This is the one, because you guys passing 10 and 40 as arguments here. So that's the difference between arguments and parameter. Parameter you guys pass inside the function, as this guy's here. It says arg, and you guys, that's because that's the main function. That's a different story, and we're gonna discuss in the future videos. But this is you guys passing the parameter here inside your function, and that's what you guys passing the argument. And this is you guys passing the value, and the value goes here inside the function and looks for this one. What you want us to do? Then the Kotlin asks what you want. You pass me argument here, and what happens with the argument? Then Kotlin looks for this function. Corayo, okay, it's got a parameter x and y, which is both of the type int, and here you guys want to perform this and print it on the screen x plus y, and here where the actual the fun begins here. So what happens? X plus y, or x multiply y, or x whatever y. So that's what you guys want to do. Okay, we go here and we're gonna run, and we want to run the max fun. Alright, so here you guys seen here that x plus y is equal to 50. So here, and if you look at here, we provided x and plus y, because whatever arguments you guys put it here, it goes here, looks for this function, whether the function's got a x and y. So yes, this function's got x and y in the parameter list. Just remember that this is your parameter list, and x plus y, and here where this so first we displayed x plus y, and where this 50 come from, 50 comes from here. So you guys just type dollar and open curly braces, close, and inside you guys can put this. So if you guys can say multiply, you're going to perform multiplication. Alright, so as we said that you guys look here, you guys got x plus y is equal to 400, because you guys performing your multiplication, and here you guys providing as xy. Alright, so how you guys gonna say do that for the string? So you're gonna come here and says fun my full name, for example. You guys gonna put your full name, and what's the parameter list you're gonna provide? First name, which is the type. You guys can't put an int or double, because your first name is not a numeric or anything, but it's a string. So you're gonna put a string, and the second name, and what's the second name? Is it gonna be double? I'm gonna leave it to you. No, it's not double or int or any float or anything, but it's also a string, because your first name and last name is, you guys know the number, because whatever you guys want to put the number, you guys going to put a number here, but here you're going to put a string, and you guys follow the same procedure here. You're going to come here, and you guys going to put your I'm going to go a little bit down. You're going to put a print ln. So inside the print ln, then what you're going to do, you're going to be my full name is and then you're going to put your full name. You guys are going to put your say first name, and then you guys going to come here, and you guys going to put your second name. Okay, so now you guys put your first name, my full name, which we have a function, and your parameter list, you guys putting the string, and the second name is also a string, and you guys putting my want to output my full name is, then you guys want to put all your first name, and you guys want to put your second name. Okay, so we're gonna come here. We wanna so we have a function, my full name, first name, and the second name, and we take my full name is, we want to display the first name and second name, because the first name is in our parameter list, and we're gonna come here as argument. We're gonna call our function. We're gonna call or invoke our function, which is gonna be our function is my full name. So we're gonna be invoking our function my full name, and what you guys gonna put as a literal string, I'm gonna put a q and then qd. And what's the second one's gonna be? The second one's gonna be as Danny, for example. Okay, so that's the first and second. And Kotlin already knows that you guys, by providing this one, you guys mean your first one, which is gonna be here, and which is the second one, which is gonna be here. So you guys want to see your first name and second name, but make sure you guys put inside the double quotation, because this is a string. It's not a when it comes to integer, double anything, you guys don't put a this one literal string, but when you guys put a double quotation here, it means it's string. Okay, so we're gonna come here and run. All right, so and you guys seen here that the first one we've done it, and my full name is QT and yes Danny. So you guys looking here, because we are we have a function here that takes a full name, which is the first name takes a string, second name takes a string. As far as the computers, as far as the Kotlin concerned, Kotlin says that I've got you guys providing me with the first name and the second name of the type string is a parameter list, and I'm gonna output this one. I'm gonna join first name and the second name, and here when you guys call invoke your function, you guys provide give argument. Remember, the first one is going to be so parameter, the second one is going to be argument, so you don't be confused by this. Here you guys providing the literal string first name and literal string last name, and the Kotlin is going to output for you guys. So in this video now we know that's what's a parameter list, what's a parameter, or sometimes you see this parameter as param. Just don't forget that as params or params. Param or params, it means that it's the same as a parameter. So param or params, whatever you guys see, and sometimes you guys see this one as args, argument or args. So arguments or just simply args. So argument and arg is the same. Param or params and parameter is the same. So this is short, param and params is short for parameter, args and arguments are short for argument. Args is for short for argument. So this is the your parameter and your argument. So I hope you guys got the idea of the parameter list, or parameter params and arguments, and what is parameter and what's argument. Alright, this is for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.